back, everybody. It is your natural nail guru, and today we're back with another amazing swatch from Beetles. We have this lovely 6 polish collection. It's called the Summer Splish Splash color collection. Now, this one is all shades of blue. So really, really cute. Looking forward to it. And as always, there are no names, just numbers. This one is 888. And you guys always know we're looking for overall consistency and coverage. So far, Beetles always comes through with just such really good pigmented, rich consistency, great coverage. This one's definitely like a minty blue. Really, really cute. Lovely color and lovely coverage just on the first coat. Look at that. That actually looks fully covered. Like maybe you see a little bit of shadowing, but that looks cute. All right, let's finish this one up. So here we have it, 2 coats, beautiful color, perfect coverage, the consistency really very easy to polish, but definitely nice and thick. Really, really pretty. All right, let's check out the next one. Up next, we have 890. This kind of looks like a periwinkle. And for me, periwinkle is like a ashy light blue that has a little hint of purple in it. Look at this one. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Oh, I got a little hair in there. Hold on a second. Look at that. That's a cute color. Definitely my favorite of these shades. We'll fix that. Like I dropped it and it didn't even mess up. Super, super cute color. All right, let's finish this one up. So here we go. 2 coats, beautiful consistency, beautiful coverage, beautiful color. Love it. Go 890. All right, let's check out the next one. Oh, I skipped one. 889. Let's do 889. This one looks like it's going to be a good old-fashioned baby blue. Oh yeah, that's definitely a nice bright baby blue. Very cute. Look at that consistency, guys. Let me see if I can do this up close. Look at this. Can you see that angle right there? Look at this. It is just, I love their polish, their colors. Look at that coverage on 1 coat. Come on. That is so good. Okay, let's finish this one up. Here we go. 2 coats, beautiful, coverage on point, consistency on point, and it's consistent across the board. We still got 3 more colors to go. Let's go to the next one. All right, and we are 891. This one looks like it's gonna be cute. Oh yes. That one's very nice. Super cute. 1 coat of coverage gives you pretty darn good coverage. Beautiful color. I'm totally loving this one. And as my client said walking by, it's a beautiful color. I love it. All right, let's finish this one up. Here we go. 2 coats, beautiful color. This one definitely reminds me between D&D Cornflower Blue and then OPI Rich Girls and Po Boys. I'd say that's a good combination for this color. It is really, really cute and definitely a nice one for the summer. Love it. Let's check out the next one. This one definitely looks on the darker side. We have number 892. It is, ooh, very pretty. Super nice color. It's still kind of along that muted tone, but it's really nice and bright, super pigmented, 1 coat. You get nice coverage. Look at that. Super cute. All right, let's finish this one up. Here we go. 2 coats. This one is definitely nice. This one and this last one are my favorites so far. Super, super cute colors. Really rich. Perfect for summer. All right, we got 1 more to check out. Next up, we have 893. This one is a glitter. Let's see what kind of glitter. Ooh. Okay, this is cute. I like that it has different size glitter inside it. You have small glitters, extra small glitters, and then you have some kind of medium-sized ones. get a little bit more. This one is definitely more of a top coat glitter. Usually their glitter polishes are extremely pigmented, but this one has just enough clear so that you can have some fun with that. Really, really cute. Let's put a second coat on this. And there we go. 2 coats, super cute. This will look really nice, actually. Let me grab another one. Yeah, this will look really nice on top of a color. I'd probably just do 1 coat to put on top of a color, so that way it's not so crowded. Or you can even do an ombre with this glitter. That's actually really cute. Let me show you how to do an ombre real quick. So you're gonna grab a little glitter at the base of the nail. Usually I'll do a striper brush, but I'll just use the brush. And you wanna put most of your glitter up top and kind of just cascade it down a little bit. And with the striper brush, I just get really particular with the details, so. But even with the brush, oops, I messed up. Look how cute that is, a little ombre glitter. Oh, got a little too much right there. You can cure it, put a little more on the top if you want to make it more saturated with glitter, but super, super cute. You can even finish bringing it all the way down and just do the full nail. And there you go, glitter top coat. Super cute. This color collection is really nice. I love the different shades of blue. You can definitely get creative and probably do a lot of stuff, actually. I'm thinking like marbling, tie-dye, just do different shades of blue. It'll be lots and lots of fun. Let's get these colors back out here because we still need to show you the matte version. All right, so here we have an overview of the swatches in this collection. Let me put it this way. Super, super cute colors, a lovely variant of blues and the glitter, and let's check them out in matte. Look at that. Wow, that looks really nice. Super, super cool. You can even matte out the glitter if you want. But there we go. There's the matte look. Really, really cute. And there goes the shiny look. Really, really cute. Super cute collection. I'll make sure that I link it down below. This is the Summer Splish Splash Beetles collection. 6 blue colors. I believe it is $8.99. I will make sure to correct that if I'm not correct. But I'll leave the link down below. I definitely have more coming, more swatches, and a really great product review on a new product that I've been trying out this last month. Really excited to share with you guys. So make sure that you are subscribed, notifications on so you do not miss. And I will see you guys later. Bye.